sitting on more than 300 acres of land, sprouting out of the lush Lake Victoria waterfront green, an addition into Uganda's mid-market housing despite the pandemic.
If you're looking at the land value alone, book value is about $80 million. That is without putting the infrastructure that we're putting. In this first phase alone, for instance, the project we've just handed over now is a project worth $6.5 million alone in the infrastructure and the houses itself. So almost every single thing that we do per year, the value of the land keeps on increasing, and so do the properties also keep on appreciating.
Jody Garcia, the managing director, Knight Frank, says demand for mid-market to affordable housing segment is on the rise, saying the sector is poised for great times. This amidst improving investor confidence.
The project is already about 33% active. They've sold all the units that they've built and sold off-plan. So that speaks to the value, the marketability that the market is seeing in this master plan development. A lot of, and remember, they're also they can be defined by type. So you have your very high-end properties, you have your villas, all of which are sold out, and those ones would really not be rented out to a certain extent. They would be bought for owner occupation or as a second or third home by your high net worth individuals. Then you have your smaller villas, all of which are also sold out.
Pearl Marina, born of investment firm Centrum, with funding raised through proceeds of the firm's $47 million bond issued 8 years ago on the Nairobi Securities Exchange.
The next phase is going to be done by the end of this month. Out of these 22, they'll be handed over. At the same time, we are working on the apartments that you've seen, and we're working on the townhouses and the bungalows. Those right from the outset were coming after. We never really planned. You can't roll out all at the same time. They're pretty much on track, by the way. So those are coming in, the apartments are coming out, are being handed over in March next year, which is just 3 months away from our original plan.
During the year to Q3 2019, the Uganda Residential Property Price Index rose by a modest 3.25%, following a year-on-year decline of 6.9% in Q2 2019.